Rheumatoid arthritis and CRP levels. What is normal? Rheumatoid arthritis causes inflammation in the joints. Measuring the amount of C-reactive protein in the blood can help determine the extent of this inflammation. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition that causes the body to attack healthy tissues in joints. This triggers inflammation, which causes joint pain, swelling, and stiffness. Blood test can help confirm a diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis. People with the disease often have elevated levels of certain proteins, including C-reactive protein or CRP, in their blood. In this video, we look at the link between rheumatoid arthritis and CRP. We describe what CRP levels show and how to reduce them. What is CRP? The liver makes CRP, a type of protein. When the immune system signals inflammation, the body sends CRP through the bloodstream to the affected area. High levels of CRP in the blood indicate chronic inflammation. This occurs with a wide range of health problems such as infection, obesity, autoimmune conditions including rheumatoid arthritis, cancer, heart disease. How do doctors measure CRP levels? Healthcare professionals measure CRP by analyzing blood samples. The procedure is the same as a regular blood test. A person does not need to fast beforehand. In some cases, a doctor will request a high sensitivity CRP test for a more accurate measurement. Usually, they do so when there is a risk of another issue, such as heart disease. A person must fast before a high sensitivity CRP test. Like any other test involving a needle, a CRP test can cause bleeding, infection, bruising, lightheadedness, aches. What do CRP levels mean? A few tests can support a diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis. One checks for the presence of rheumatoid factor. A more specific test looks for anticyclic citrullinated peptide or anti-CCP antibodies in the blood. Testing CRP levels can help determine whether joint problems occur with inflammation. While the results of this test can help confirm a diagnosis, a doctor is more likely to focus on whether a person has symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. After diagnosis, doctors can monitor the condition by checking CRP levels. For example, these measurements can show how effectively a treatment is reducing inflammation. Test results show how many milligrams of CRP are in a liter of blood. The medical community has no set normal range for CRP levels because so many individual factors such as age and medical history affect these levels. Generally, a CRP measurement under 10 mg per liter falls within a normal range. However, this can still indicate mild inflammation. A higher measurement suggests more substantial inflammation, which can indicate a flare-up of rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. Over time, rheumatoid arthritis can cause complications. This may involve other parts of the body and elevated levels of inflammation. For this reason, doctors can monitor CRP levels to assess the risk of these complications. For example, people with rheumatoid arthritis have an increased risk of heart disease. A doctor can assess an individual's risk with a high sensitivity CRP test, and a result above 3 mg per liter indicates that the risk is high. A wide variety of health conditions can cause inflammation, and determining why CRP levels are high usually requires further investigations. The following factors can affect the results of a CRP test: pregnancy, use of birth control pills, use of hormone replacement therapy, smoking, obesity. Reducing CRP levels. Prescription medications can reduce inflammation. The other goals of rheumatoid arthritis treatment are to relieve pain, manage symptoms, and reduce or eliminate the risk of permanent joint damage. To reduce inflammation, a person may take over-the-counter or prescription non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs, which suppress the immune system, biologics, which can slow down or prevent the progression of rheumatoid arthritis. A doctor can also inject steroid-based medication directly into a joint to decrease inflammation.